I'm getting a lot of good response. Everyone has loved the video and my part in it. So a lot of people can even connect to the romantic song. So yeah, I'm getting a really good response. During the lockdown and T-Series approached me for this, and when I heard the song it was like wow, I really loved it. And they told me it's Armaan Malik and it's going to be the shooting will be in Udaipur. So when I heard the script it was so good, and even the girl part I really could connect to her. So yeah, the shooting experience was really good. It was very risky, like shooting in Udaipur, and there was so much of crowd when we were shooting. A lot of people came around to view the shooting, and we were like, okay, is this COVID? And the whole traveling part, it was quite risky, but it should, like, we really wanted to shoot it, and I'm so glad the whole crew came across and they supported us and they were so hardworking. So yeah, the overall experience was really good, and the video has come out amazing. After I heard the music, it was a sudden decision. But the only thing I was confused about was the COVID, the lockdown, and me traveling to Udaipur. But I really thought about it, and I was like, no, I don't want to miss this opportunity, because the song, I knew that this is going to be really hit. And yeah, I went for it. It was really good. He was an amazing co-star, and he was funny on the set, so we got along really well. Masti as such nahi thi, because it was a very serious kind of shoot, and we both were in the character, and you know, it was like with him, I was into some other guy, and he really liked me. So even for me, I had to be in the character, and that I'm in love with someone else, and I had to make him jealous. And you know, at one time I'm sad, and the other time I'm also kind of falling for him. So I think I was just in this serious zone during the whole shoot. My reaction was wow when I saw the music, the video, sorry. It was so good. The colors, everything has looked so amazing. Udaipur has looked so beautiful. And when I saw the whole painting room, I was like, wow, this is captured so beautifully. It depends on the role. I haven't seen him acting. I mean, I've heard his music, so his voice is really good. Maybe like he might get a role in which he is singing. So in that sort of web series or a music or a movie, that would look good. The day my mom saw the video, she had tears in her eyes. I don't know why. She was like, you know, I really loved it. But probably my accident in the end, and she was like really, she cried a bit. But they all loved it. My sister loved it, and my family really liked it. Secret. Okay, so there is a secret about him that he works out during the night. So like our call time was at 5 a.m. and he was like, oh, I did not sleep. I was working out the whole night. And I was like, okay, wow, that is like, he is really motivated for his fitness. It was very good. The whole team, the team of director and the whole marketing team has been really good. Everyone has been very supportive, and everyone came through, you know. It was like during the tough times, COVID was going on, and I was surprised the makeup artist, the director, everyone was so like into it that they wanted to create something really good. And yeah, that's what motivated me to really put my 100% in it. Thank you so much, everyone. I mean, everyone has been listening to the song religiously, and they all are loving it. So I'm really glad that you all loved it, loved our whole video, our song, and thank you so much for your love and support.